What's up, YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. I just pulled the Ferrari out of the garage here. Got to go pick my nephew up at the vet. His dog got really sick. This is gonna be a, sorry about that, I know that's loud. This is gonna be a real video today, guys. Like, you know, no staging, nothing, no nothing. Anyway, got to go get my nephew at the vet, pick him up. We're gonna go to his house, get one of his cars. Then we're coming to pick up Samuel, go eat, take Samuel for rides in the cars. And to the rest of this video, we'll see you then. So we just picked Samuel up, getting ready to take him to go eat and for a ride and everything. And unfortunately for him, there's his yellow wagon on the tow truck. Like, buddy, like, and what'd you say, like, this, how many times it's been on the tow truck?
This is the third time, so we'll get it.
He's working on it, but hey, but you know what? That's a sign of progress right there. That is a sign of progress. It's going to get fixed. And what's wrong with it this time?
So this time I installed a big brake kit on it from Willwood, and it went pretty well. I think I did a good enough job. It stops and it runs on its own power. The issue is, the pistons on the caliper are pushing the pads on the rotor, but they're not retracting like they should, and it just doesn't look right. And so I'm gonna have it sent off to someone who knows what they're doing to verify that, hey, it's okay and that, you know, it's fine to run. Or they'll say, hey, no, you messed this up, and we'll fix it for you.
Well, hopefully you didn't mess it up and it's just something minor and it'll get fixed pretty quick.
Yeah, we'll cross fingers.
Awesome. We're back here at the house after eating with Samuel. Brian's getting ready to fire up the SV. I think we're going to let Samuel go for a ride in the SV first.
Oh, it don't matter what car.
Oh yeah, it don't matter. Whatever Samuel wants to do. It's his day.
We'll go for the SV first.
Go to SV first. Go ahead and get the good one out of the way, right? Takes a little while for Brian to get in and out of it.
Brian's slow.
He's getting old.
Getting old. 43's old.
43, my God. You get a handicap tag for it next?
Is it cheaper?
Is it cheaper, right? Woo, sun. She mad in the afternoon. All right, guys, we're rolling. Samuel's in Brian's SV. My car's loud and cracking and popping, and we're gonna take him for a little bit of a run around the street, and then he's gonna come get in my car. What's so mean sounding? As we here at the gas station doing what you do with supercars, you get gas. Oh, that's right. Hey, this lady, she's like, oh my God, you don't see this every day. Oh yeah. Here we go. We're gonna let her take our picture, and we're gonna get out of here.
Oh yeah, and then these ones.
Yeah, that was not loud right now. I can't really get up.
I heard that one. I felt that one too. Felt that one on the seat of the floor. We got good cars, I'll tell you that. Yeah. Man. Oh yeah, this is quite the duo. Low, wide cars.
Yeah.
That is such a different feel. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. They're both fun. They're both nice. But wow, that is a lot different. Oh my.
I got on it a little bit, just a little bit.
I can feel it a little squirrely.
Yeah, I got a little squirrely, and when I felt it doing that, I kind of stayed steady with my foot.
This is how you know Huntsville's growing. SV 458 488.
That's horrible.
Well, now the school children get to see it here.
Let's see, it's a 223, so I don't even know where the school zone ends is the problem.
It'll probably tell you. Here's the school right here.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, I see the light. Oh, is it really way down there? I'll just kind of go a little slow. That light will turn. You'll get to keep up. Yeah, like, I mean, they're like, where you point them, they go.
Yeah.
It's like being on rails.
Yeah, that's cool.
See, here's, yeah, there's the school light. See it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I guess you got this one and the one down there. I don't know.
It's crazy. Sorry, Samuel. Due to school zone regulations,
That's alright.
you got to go 25 in a Ferrari.
Woo! That's fine.
Brian's coming up behind us now. Look at this guy. What in the tarnations?
Yeah, really. The flat plane crank of the 458 is really nice too.
Oh yeah.
I prefer that over the normal V8 that come in American cars. It's much different sound. All those pops.
Oh yeah. But I mean, you gotta keep in mind, I've also got a straight pipe titanium exhaust on here too.
Right,
so
true.
Man, seeing Brian's car reflecting off of that truck that just turned beside us.
Yeah.
It's how bright his car is.
It just pulls.
Oh, and as much as I want to give it, it'll keep going.
Alright, here we go.
Make sure I stop and I don't get no stupid ticket for not stopping.
Oh my gosh! It's such a different feeling. It's not as quick as the SV because of the all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But it still picks up.
Oh yeah.
I think they're about the same in terms of the fun factor. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, they're both fun.
Oh yeah. If I did get an Aventador, I would probably get one of these. If I could.
Yeah, yeah.
Because these are dual clutch and they're a nice, loud sounding V8 and they're relatively quick.
Hey, Cat! How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm having a blast, can't you tell?
Oh, gosh. Look, my car broke down. I'm driving Skylar's, but I'd rather be driving that.
I bet.
Fun.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Be careful.
You too.
We're trying.
You too.
We're trying. That's my nephew behind me.
Really?
Yeah.
He saw me with my camera going, I'm
Yeah.
going to send him to Skylar when I get to work.
Awesome, awesome. How are you been? I haven't seen you in a while.
Been doing really well.
Good, good.
You guys good?
I am. We are. We're doing great.
Y'all have fun. That looks like a lot of fun.
It is.
It is.
It is.
See you guys later.
We get to do a lot of special things for a lot of people. So,
Mm-hmm.
What's it? The wellness rider?
witness riders. I like that too, though.
That makes more sense, though.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's awesome. Y'all have fun.
All right, thank you. Oh, my phone just.
You must know a lot of people around town.
I do.
Sounds like it.
What's the odds of pulling up beside somebody else? So she's the second person I've seen since we've been out driving.
Yeah.
So I've been in the defense industry for 25 years. So I got to meet a lot of people doing that.
Yeah.
Oh man, I love it.
Oh! Oh! What's the chances of this?
Somebody else. You're like the third person. Hey, you going to the shell? Okay.
Yeah, if you got a lot of 458 inch cars, then you got these two, a few other ones around town, then you just got everyone else's, you know, Skylines, GTRs like that. You could easily have at least 100 cars just flooding the roads.
Oh yeah. I personally know probably that many people that have these type cars.
Wow. In town? Or
No, just all over.
Yeah. Okay. I'm saying just like
Brandon's got like 50. So
yeah, exactly. He's half of it.
But I wasn't really counting that. I was just counting people I know that have cars, you know, like.
Right. Yeah, it is a little more comfortable. It's not as bumpy.
Yeah. Well, I got an air ride too.
That too.
Mine's got to get gas. Mine's used 2/10 of the tank, so.
Gas guzzlers.
God, yes, they love it.
Oh,
I get about 8 to 9 miles a gallon. I think he gets around 7 to 8.
Woo.
And you got to put the premium in there.
Yeah, I do double, but I also have to put premium in there.
Yeah.
Because it's a 5-cylinder, it sounds like a half V10, like a half Viper almost, except with a turbo on it. But it's a lot of fun.
No, I bet it does, man. Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
I'm glad you got to do this, man.
Yeah, this is a whole ton of fun. Thank you guys so much.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, you got this because of who you are.
Thank you, sir.
I said, I got to get gas. And see, where I'm shifting at that sweet point, if you don't even really feel it shift.
Yeah, no.
Versus when I was getting on it, and it was, you know, like it hits a little harder when you get on it.
You could easily do the fun, the track, the oh yeah, I'm gonna throw him in the seat, and then you're just like, nah.
Yeah. It'll put you in the seat and slap your head if you need it.
Yep.
Or it'll cruise if you just want to go around town on a beautiful day like this.
Wake up in the morning and take you home at night.
Yeah.
And wake everyone up while you're doing it.
Yes. My neighbors are like, we know every time you're going somewhere.
Yeah.
Because I crank it up. Sounds like it's mad at the world when you start it. You didn't get to hear it cold start. Like, golly, in my garage, it's like, it sounds like this when you start it. Like, it just stays like that for like 6 minutes till it warms up. Too busy looking at their phones to even notice what's going on around them.
Oh, it's another load car. Little, you know, it's a one of one.
Not many people can say that, man, and that's I mean, it's a unique opportunity that I've been entrusted with.
Yeah. This was one of the first cars I ever saw when I went to a car meet. I think the first Johnny Grills car meet I ever went to, this thing came.
Oh, really?
And I fell in love with it. You know, like, oh my gosh, that is cool. That is a one-of-one car, and it's here. What? And then I found out who owned it, and that he owned a lot of other cars, and apparently he makes stupid money.
Oh yeah. I appreciate it, man.
It's 488. I don't think I've ever really seen like a stock 458 in person. But this thing, I think it should have come from the back here like this.
Mm-hmm.
That is wide. This looks slim without the body kit, just like sort of picturing it.
Yeah.
But with the body kit, it's about as wide as that, but it looks like it's supposed to be.
And I like it a lot better with the body kit on it, to be honest with you. Like,
100%.
oh yeah. I know what he's doing.
Big wing, big wing.
Yeah, I like the big wings.
Oh yeah.
I got pooped on by a bird right on my wing.
What?
Your wing? That's a big wing on it.
As we just finished taking Samuel for a ride, Brian had him in the SV. I took him out in the Ferrari. Samuel, how'd you like it, buddy?
That was a whole ton of fun. They were both very different and very unique experiences, and I'm happy that y'all took me out here today. Thank you guys very much. This is a whole bunch of fun.
You're awesome. Thank you.
We're glad you went, and you were so happy and a good person to be with. It was fun.
Yeah, today's been a great day. This is why we bought these cars, guys. This is why we bought these cars. Man. Brian he's still smiling.
And I got power lines down up here.
Yeah, we got.
I'm trying to see what's going on.
We got power lines down. We got. Oh, they're gonna
We're
make
turning.
us. Yeah, we're turning. I told you they were going right.